lifestyle and environment. The focus on environment is very high. It's the lakes, and Norway is really beautiful. Sweden is very beautiful, and Finland. We have either lakes, so many lakes. These are all freshwater lakes. In Scandinavia, generally, we drink water from the tap. So it's that the lakes, and it's really beautiful in the summer. Summer is almost like a heaven. And winter, there's about 6 to 8 months of harsh winter, but summer is really, really beautiful. Descending into the Oslo, the valley area. Oslo airport is Oslo Gardermoen airport, international airport. It's a beautiful valley below. The fall season, and the next few weeks different colors will emerge from the trees, like red and yellow and different colors, and then the leaves will fall and winter will arrive. You see the beautiful valley below. The beautiful valley, Oslo lies, and then Norway is full of mountains, and then there are significant places like Brekstolen, and Norway is particularly characterized by the fjords. Fjords are like mountain and with water inlet into it, and the fjords are generally experienced by way of the ship cruises or boats flowing through the fjords, or from places like Bergen, which has which is close to the floor. There is also a kind of a old train from Bergen to Flam. It's called the Flambana, and the fjords are really spectacular and beautiful in Norway. Norway is also the place, one of the richest countries on the planet, with oil and drilling and fisheries. Norway is not a member of EU. Norway, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and Iceland. They are not members of EU, but travel is free, like it's a Schengen zone. So, places are really, really beautiful. Scandinavia is really beautiful, and Scandinavia is the common culture, of course, and then the Vikings era, and Norway has the mountains and the fjords. They're really, really beautiful. So descending into Oslo Gardermoen, the beautiful valley area. Oslo, you have got the trains going up to Trondheim, and then there's a break, and then there is a train from Sweden to a place called Narvik in Norway. It was constructed 100 years before for transporting of ores through Norway port from Sweden, but there's a link missing in between, because Norway is like mountainous, and the northern part of Norway is like marine fjords, small islets, and then you have the northernmost city is called Tromsø in Norway, and then after that you have one big island called Svalbard Island, and you have the northernmost airport there. It's called the Longyearbyen airport. Svalbard has some peculiarities with it, in which people should not be born there or die there, which means you can only live there, and you have to show, anybody can live there, but you have to show your savings. Descending into the beautiful Oslo Gardermoen International Airport. It's really beautiful. The takeoff from Stockholm was really beautiful. We had touched down on Norway, and then the flight spoilers are on, and then beautiful Gardermoen.
Välkommen till Oslo. Ta sikkerhetsmessig hensyn, be deg om å holde sikkerhetsbeltet fastspenn. Holde
Welcoming to
stoler og bord i
Oslo.
ladende
Norwegian
posisjon.
and Danish are similar to Swedish. Of course, there are three letters that are different in these languages, like the
Vær forsiktig med å hoppe
A
bagasjen,
and
slik at
O.
ingen bagasje faller ut. Vær også oppmerksom på nivåforskjellen mellom flyet og broen.
If I listen slowly, I can understand Norwegian and Danish as well. Because the culture is pretty similar among the 5 countries, 4 Scandinavian or 5 including Finland, Nordic countries. Usually these countries rank first in welfare and happiness as well. Yeah, Oslo is also
For safety reasons, please keep your seatbelt fastened, keep seat back and table upright, large electronic devices stowed, and escapers free from
this area, Scandinavia, has been a pioneer in many areas. Sweden, for example, imports garbage for running the district heating in the homes. So that's like a country with no garbage, and it's only country to probably import garbage for heating homes. Norway, Finland, and then Denmark and
We hope that you have enjoyed this flight together with us at SES.
This is the Norway, this is the Oslo Gardermoen airport.
Yes. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you again.
SAS flight is getting ready for taxiing and takeoff. It's getting.
Dersom du har noe som skal kastes, som ligger i setelommen foran deg, setter vi pris på at du tar det med deg og kaster i våre avfallsvogner når du forlater flyet. På forhånd takk for hjelpen. If you have any waste in your seat pocket, please take it with you and throw it in the waste bin when you leave the aircraft. Thank you.
It's a beautiful Gardermoen airport. Scandinavian design is usually, there's a term called the Scandinavian design, usually pretty simple and very functional in nature generally. They I guess we should be taking the right here, yes, to the terminal building. Beautiful simple terminal building, and you see the hills, mountains behind, and the valley that we just arrived into Oslo. It's a beautiful landing on a sunny afternoon, sort of. There were clouds, but it was. Norwegian is one flight where the tail fin contains some Norwegian heroes, the pictures of Norwegian heroes. Something like Alaskan Airlines contains the pictures of it's unknown yet undefined. So it's a library, and then you have the SAS is the airlines of Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. You have which airline is that? It's a new delivery. Yeah, this is the Ethiopian. Ethiopian with the 3 colors: green, yellow, and red. And then which is that one? Sunglass. Yeah, this is a beautiful Gardermoen airport. It seems to be a 777 or a 787 Dreamliner. Yeah, it's a 787 because there are 4 wheels. Yeah. Then this is British Airways. British Airways. Yeah, it's a 737. Yeah, mostly 7. Yeah, it's a 737. Then we have the SAS. Getting to the stand 43. It's for A320, and then there was a new livery, which was that flight. It's called Sunglass. Yeah, I'm seeing this new livery of flight. Sunglass. Yeah, we arrive at Oslo Gardermoen to the stands.